for sprint1, we did the login, the whole login system. This is our central login page. You create. There is a restriction page. I just do a quick testing. I just like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Mary, John, Mel, blah blah blah. Just click restrict. They say restrict are successful. Then go to the login page. Say 1 and 1, 2, 3. And just remember me to save the account information for that. Login. Is say will come back, which means you're successful login, and they will show the the username as well. Click sign up. They get back to the login page. Then you say type something, then click restrict. They will reset the whole page for that. And because the last time I click remember me, so the name of the user ID will be there as well. Back to the log one. The log folder is to save the login information and IP address for every single time the user log in for that. It's just for security problem. And I will pass to my team member to show the ARD diagram for our database.
Yeah, in the sprint1, we create a database. This is a ERD diagram. For the customer, we store the customer first name, last name, and phone number, and maybe a delivery address. And the order table is stored order ID and the customer ID. The tree table is stored tree name and tree information, order information, tree category, and the tree price, such as this maintain required level. Yeah, and the shipment is stored customer delivery information, such as tree name, tree quality, and ship ID. Here's our database. Okay.
And I will introduce about our documentation. We done the team agreement and all signatures by the team members. And the risk registration, we got version 1 for sprint1. And we will continue update this one in the sprint2. And quality plan we have is to ensure the code assurance. And we have the roadmap for each sprint. For the sprint1, they just lay out the key date and leave the sprint2 empty, and we'll continue filling in the sprint2 beginning. And for burndown chart, we estimate all the sprint1's user stories and make the burndown chart. And we have the new things to try in the sprint2, and we conclusion after sprint1 end. We got planning poker and in the beginning of the sprint1, and actually we list all the user stories, so that's the final version for us. And we also got the evidence of meeting and the evidence of testing. And we will talk about the evidence of testing in sprint2's video. And we have each sprint planning, the user stories, and the burndown chart. Okay, this is our GitHub page. We will continue push the new version on the data
for Sprint 2, we got a couple of new things to try. The first one is a shopping cart, which include 8 items function, remove items function, and a view items function. The second one is a delivery system. When the customer check out, they should add the delivery system to aid the address for the customer, and the delivery company will directly deliver the items to that, and the payment system, of course. For the VIP system, I think this is quite an important system, because the VIP will get a special discount for every single purchase. They will save the data into the table for depends the VIP or not. Then the 5th thing is the main shopping page, which just shopping by picture and see the price. Yep.